Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Webflow CMS to publish case studies for recruiters step by step clearly. Open your Webflow project. Navigate to the CMS section in the left sidebar. Click on Collections to create a new collection. Select New Collection. Name your collection case studies. Add a description field for a brief overview of each case. Include a client name field for specific project details. Create a project URL field for linking to external resources. Add a featured image field for visual appeal. Include a content field to detail the case study narrative. Enable slug for individual case study URLs. Set the visibility settings for SEO optimization. Click Create Collection to finalize. Go back to the designer view. Add a new page for displaying the case studies. Drag in a collection list element to the page.
Connect the collection list to the case studies collection.
Choose a layout that best presents your case studies. Drag and drop the relevant fields into your collection item. Customize font styles, sizes, and colors for consistency. Set the featured image size for optimal display. Adjust spacing and alignment for aesthetic appeal. Link the case study titles to the respective project URLs. Add filtering options if needed for better navigation. Test the page by publishing it in preview mode. Ensure all links and images display correctly. Return to the CMS to add sample content for testing. Click on Add New Case Study in the CMS section. Fill in all required fields with relevant content. Preview the individual case study within the CMS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.